Rule number 24, all traders are created equal in the eyes of the market. What this rule is trying to communicate is that the market shows no favorability to any one person. The market doesn't favor Mitch more than it favors me. It is agnostic in that sense. But what we do is we learn to recognize patterns in things that might indicate some predictability. When this happens and this happens, it is highly likely or more probable that this will be the outcome. And that is the best you can do. And one of the things that I remember when I approach anything, and man, I wish y'all knew how ignorant I was in the ways of the stock market and everything else before I joined Investment Current. Mitch couldn't have gotten a more green student or someone that I had no background in any of this. And there's room for us all at Investment Current. Trust me, I can speak from experience. But one thing that I always keep in mind when I approach anything new is that the first step in being good at something is being bad at it, right? We all start from zero. We all have to learn. We all have to develop and build those skills. You know, Mitch didn't come out the womb day trading with this innate knowledge of the stock market. No, it's built over years. And what we do is we invest in his knowledge, right? So that we can reduce our time to market, so to speak. Again, I always look at things in business terms, right? And that's how I calculated my ROI for investing with Investment Current, is because it helps to shorten my time to profitability. Could I learn all of this on my own? Maybe, but to be honest with you, I highly doubt it. But if we all start from zero, Investment Current gets me from zero to profitability in a lot shorter time. And that, my friends, is worth the investment. Stay consistent every day in every trade.